Get ready to sample flavours of Ireland with my delicious Irish champ recipe. Now this is real Irish comfort food. To make it, all you need is potatoes. These are Roosters, but you can use your own favourites. Peel and chop the potatoes before placing in a saucepan, add a little salt and cover with cold water. Bring to the boil and simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes. Let me know in the comments below if you've ever made Irish champ. Check with a fork to make sure the potatoes are nice and tender before draining the water off. Chop up the spring onion and chives if you're using them, add butter to milk and heat until it's warm, not boiling. Mash the potatoes until there's no lumps and add the warm buttery milk and mash again. In goes the spring onion and give it a good stir. Season with some salt and pepper. Give it one last stir before getting it into a serving bowl and use a spoon to make a well in the centre and top with a good lump of butter. Kerrygold if you have it. Tá súil agam gur maith leat an champ Gaeilge. Happy baking everyone! Enjoy!